Hello, I'm Vandana from Symbiosis Law School Pune, and my topic is New Facet of Opportunity for Online Alternative Dispute Resolution amidst COVID 19. The outbreak of COVID 19 has caused a great havoc across the globe. First discovered in the Wuhan city of China, it has spread rapidly across the globe, causing death of more than 3 lakh people, with no effective vaccination being invented. The situation in India is getting grave with each day passing by while the whole nation sits in a partial lockdown today. Various sectors such as aviation sector, real estate are facing huge crisis and the legal industry is no exception. Today India stands at 4.0 lockdown and the physical working mechanism of the court is not effective in bringing about effective solutions among the pendency of cases in the court. With social distancing measures being adopted in this quarantine period for due cause of the judiciary, the alternative dispute resolution shows the desired flexibility and versatility in bringing about solution of the disputes. Various methods such as arbitration, mediation, negotiation are the new legal future of a new legal future in India, and the current pandemic might come out as the effective example of showing how parties in dispute can opt for ADR in bringing about effective solution and help in reducing the pendency of cases in the court. If we talk about one of the methods, say arbitration. Arbitration is the official settlement of disputes by someone who is not involved in the dispute. So various early stage of arbitration, that is the communication between the clients, the lawyers, and the arbitral tribunal and institution can be conducted through the medium of online platform. Various documents such as the statement from both the parties, application seeking interim relief, etc., can be conducted through the medium of online platform. Also, even the digital signatures are considered to be legitimate signatures today. So if oral biddings are necessary, those can be conducted through the medium of Skype, Zoom, which is in trouble right now. Those can be conducted through the medium of video conferencing. Various protocols such as confidentiality measures are very much an essential while conducting online alternative dispute resolution. So the effective use of technology can actually show the true potential of ADR in the outbreak of COVID-19. So the COVID-19 in concluding points can either make or break the legal industry. Bringing Indian judiciary in a digital era is, I think, gonna make a huge impact. And overall, the alternative online dispute resolution can actually help in reducing the burden of pendency of cases in India, and also help the judiciary in maintaining their focus on crucial matters amid the COVID-19. I hope everyone is safe and stay healthy, and thank you so much.